And welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you keep trying and you'll get it right. Let's start our trial for today. Let's do some more questions from the Olympiad question paper set C for class 8 and understand how to solve different kind of questions that come in Olympiad. If you're watching my videos and liking them, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start.
Let's do question number 41. A cylindrical tank of diameter 5.6 cm and height 25 cm is filled with water. If the water is emptied into a cuboidal tub of dimensions 20 cm into 11 cm and 24 cm, then find the height to which the water rises in the tub. Now we know we need to find first the volume of water in the tank, that will be equal to the cylindrical tank's volume. So for that we need pi r square h. So we need the radius. So we'll find the radius first. So radius will be diameter divided by 2, which is 5.6 centimeter divided by 2, that is 2.8 centimeter. This is the radius of the cylindrical tank. Now we will use the formula pi r square h to find the volume of water in the tank. So 22 by 7 into 2.8 into 2.8 into the height of the cylinder, which is 25. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, this 0.4 it is here. So you know 4 into 25 is 100. So there is a decimal point here. So instead of 100 I will write here 10. 10 into 2.8. So 22 into 10 is 220, or rather I can use this 10 to remove this decimal point here. So I will do that, 22 into 28. So it will be 616 centimeter cube, the volume of water that is there in the cylindrical tank. If the water is filled into the cuboidal tank of these dimensions, it is asking to find the height of the water to which the water rises in the tub. So we know it's given like this: length into breadth into height. But this is the actual height of the cuboidal tub, not the height of the water that will be there inside the tub. So we have to find that height. So I can use this formula: L into B into H is equal to 616. Then length will be here 20, breadth will be 11, and height we are going to calculate. So 616. So height is actually how much? 616 divided by 20 into 11. So 20, 2 tens are 20 and 2 threes are 6 and 2 eights are 60. So it is 30.8 divided by 11, something like this. So let's calculate. 11 twos are 22. There is a decimal point here. 10 minus 2 is 8, and another 8, this 8 comes down here, 88. So again decimal point will come, then 11 eights are 88. So the height up to which the water is filled when transferred into the cuboidal tub is 2.8 centimeter. It does not get filled till 24 centimeter. It gets filled up to the height of this 2.8 centimeter in the cuboidal tub. So answer for 41 is, question number 41 is option B, 2.8 centimeter. Let's do question number 42. If an aeroplane is flying at 10,600 meter above sea level, at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine 560 meters below the sea level, then find the vertical distance between the aeroplane and the submarine. So total distance, vertical distance will be 10,600 plus 560, right? So that will be 0 here, 6 here, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 gets carried over, so 1 plus 0 is 1, and this one. So the fairly very easy question. This is 11,160 meters above the submarine. The aeroplane is flying at a distance above the submarine, that is 11,160, which is option B for question number 42. Now let's do question number 43. Mr. Sarma deposited 2,56,000 in his account. 2 days later, he withdrew 2 by 5 of the amount and 3 by 4 of the remaining amount on the next day. Find the amount left in his account. Very easy. It's from fractions, I think. So 2 by 5 he has removed from his account. The amount left in his account after he removes on the first day, 2 by 5 is definitely 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 into 256,000,000 will give me the amount which is left in his account after he removes 2 by 5 on the first day. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 comes here, so 5 twos are 10 and then double 0. Now we'll multiply this, 0, 0 will come here, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. This is the amount that is left in his account, right? After he has removed 2 by 5. Now from this again he is removing 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 153600. So again we can divide, 4 ones are 4, then 15 I can directly divide, 4 threes are 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3, 3 will come here. So it will become 33. Then 4 eights are 32. 33 minus 32 is how much? 1. So 16. 4 fours are 16, then double 0. So the amount that is spent, I mean he has removed from his account is 0, 0, or we can do one more thing, we can just do here 1 by 4, right? 1 by 4, if he has removed 3 by 4 from his account, 1 by 4 is left. So I am directly the amount that is remaining in his account we will get, right? If 3 by 4 of the remaining amount, I am repeating again, amount he has removed from his account, then 1 by 4 is there in his account. So 1 by 4 into the remaining amount, that is the remaining amount from the first day, will give us the amount which is left after he removes 3 by 4 from his account on the second day. So the amount that is left in his account is 38,400, which is option B. Now question number 44 says Amit borrows rupees 2,100 from his friend Karthik for 5 years. Find the rate of interest per annum if he paid back rupees 2,940 to Karthik. So at the end of 5 years he is paying back 2,940, means the amount, total amount is rupees 2,940, and principal we clearly see is rupees 2,100, and time period is also given 5 years. Now I can easily find out the interest. The simple interest formula is what? Simple interest is plus principal is equal to amount. So if I do amount minus principal, I'll get the simple interest. So it is actually 2,940 minus 2,100, which is rupees 840. Now we can find the rate of interest. Rate will be 100 SI, 100 into SI by P into T. So 100 into SI is what? 100 into 840 divided by principal, which is 2,100 into 5. So we can remove the zeros. Then here also we'll remove 21 ones are 21, 21 fours are 84, and then 0 here, 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. So rate of interest is 8% per annum. So option C, which is already marked for this question number 44, is the correct answer for this. Now let's do this question. Question number 45. A t-shirt costs rupees this much, a sweater costs this much, and a sari costs this much. After buying these items, Mohit paid this much amount to the cashier. How much amount Mohit received from the cashier? Let's see. Let's first calculate how much is the cost of the t-shirt plus sweater plus sari. So x square minus xy minus y square is the cost of t-shirt. Sweater will be 2x square plus 8xy minus 2y square plus x square minus 3xy plus 4y square. This is the cost of sari. So sweater, sari, and yes, t-shirt. We have written everything. Now let's add up all the like terms. X square is here, x square is here, x square is here also. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, that will be 4x square, minus xy plus 8xy, that will be 7xy plus 7xy plus 7xy minus 3xy, that will be plus 4xy, minus y square minus 2y square, that will be minus 3y square, 4y square minus 3y square, that will be y square, right? So we got this. Now let's see what is, just let's expand 2x plus y square as well to understand how much Mohit has paid to the cashier. So that will be how much? 4x square, a plus b whole square. I am applying a plus b whole square formula to expand the identity a plus b square. So 4x square plus y square plus 2 into 2xy. So 2 into 2x means 4x, 4xy. So plus 4xy. So if you see, what he has paid to the cashier is exactly the same as what he has what I mean, what is the total amount of all these t-shirt and sweater and sari. So if you try to subtract both of them, your end result will be 0. Let's do this actually. Instead of talking, let's do this. This is the amount Mohit has paid to the cashier, and this is the amount that's the total cost of all the things Mohit has bought. So if you try to subtract this to find the difference, what change cashier will give him back. 4xy minus 4xy is 0, plus 4xy, and here minus is there, inside there is plus, so definitely it is minus at the end. So 4xy minus 4xy is 0. Similarly, plus y square, minus here and inside it is plus. If there are different signs inside and outside the bracket, we get minus. So y square minus y square is also 0. So the amount that he is going to receive is nothing. He has paid exactly the same amount as it is required for the three things that he bought. So option A, rupees 0, is correct for question number 45. Let's do question number 46. Solve the given equations and match the following. So this is simple linear equations. We just need to solve and see the correct option for this. So let's do first P. P says 4x minus 2 is equal to 7x by 20. So let's bring the x terms on one side. I'll do it here itself. 4x by 5 minus 7x by 20 is equal to 2. We will take to the other side. It will become 3 plus 2, 5. So now LCM for 5 and 20 is 20. So I'll write it here. And 20 divided by 4 is 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 4 into 4 is 16x. 16x minus 7x is equal to 5. So this is actually how much? 16 minus 7 is 9x is equal to 5 into 2. 5 into 20 is 100. So x is equal to 100 by 9. So P is the correct answer for bit 2. We can match this 2. Now similarly question Q we will do. So Q, how we will do? 2 we will multiply to this 3, because LCM for this is how much actually? 3 by 1. So LCM for 1 and 2 is 2. So I'll multiply here. I'll try to find, I'll make it a single numerator. So for that I'll solve it like a fraction. So it will become 3 into 2, 6. I am talking out of the right left hand side right now. 6 minus 2x will resolve this bracket here. Minus here, nothing here means plus sign. So minus plus, different signs will give us negative. Similarly, minus plus here will give us minus 3 divided by 2. Now I will add this 2, which is the numerator, to both the whatever is there in the numerator. So it will become 2x minus 8 by 3. Right hand side will become this. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2x by 2 is equal to 2x minus 8 by 3. Now we will cross multiply. If we multiply the 3 to this side, it will become 9 minus 6x. Similarly, I will multiply 2 this side, it will become 4x minus 16. So 6x I will bring to the one side and 16 I will take the other side. So it will become 4x plus 6x, which is 10x. And 16 plus 9, if I take 16 to the other side, it will become 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 by 10, or if I remove this 5, that will become 5 by 2. So, correct option is for the Q is 3, bit 3 on the right hand side, column 2, bit 3. So, I am writing here from this side Q, I am writing on this side 3, wherever the answer is, right? So, what is left? R. R definitely will be 1. There is no doubt about it. Even without solving, you can say now R is bit 1. So if you see, correct answer will be P2, Q3 and R1 is option number D. So for question number 46, option number D is the correct answer.